been a rough week. The roads have been clear, a little wet, no snow. I've been wanting to get out on my bike all week. I thought it was the perfect time, but my furnace died, so I've been babysitting our furnace guy as he put in a new one. Well, I shouldn't say babys. He knew what he was doing, but I felt like I still needed to be here. But it's in, it's fixed. We've got a warm house, and I'm hopping on my bike, and I'm getting out of here and going on my first ride of the season. Well, guess that plan's out the window. Well, it's not too bad. I have plenty to do around the house. So if you can see behind me, there is an old ratchety cupboard. Came out of a golf course. It was given to me. I think it was for a kitchen. I'm not sure. But I've been using it as my workbench for a long time now, and I don't think I want it anymore. Despite my preference for more vintage and old things, I am sick of this thing. The drawer barely opens. These things get stuck. It's just old. It doesn't work. It doesn't fulfill what I need it to fulfill. And to add to that, I have this shelf that's just full of mismatched motorcycle and auto stuff, as well as yard things, Blackstone cleaning materials, refill for my AC that I did not need, and it's time to get organized. This is a year of organization for me, especially around my video and my garage and my bikes. So anyways, I've got myself a new toolbox, as well as a new shelving system. And we're gonna put that together and get going. Special thank you for my wife for finding these at Costco and telling me to go get them. I really appreciate that, babe. I love you. Oh, it's pretty much put together. Wow, it has keys, soft things, drawers, deep drawers that I should be able to open. Oh, there we go. I don't even know what that is. Let me see the thing. Wow. Something else I really like about it. I don't know. This is probably on home. I don't know. I've never owned one of these before, but it's got this right here to charge my stuff. Excellent. Well, I'm gonna get together. I love using the little tools that they send you with these kind of things. I know I have better ones. I promise you I do, but I don't know. This is what they gave me. I'm gonna use it.
Cute.
Yeah, isn't it cool?
Yeah, I love it.
Thank you.
Yes, you're welcome.
I consider this a present for me. It's nice and tall too.
Yeah, I know, which is so nice for you.
Yeah. You see it has locks?
That's nice.
Yeah.
What's this thing?
Oh, that's the padding for the inside.
Oh. What are these for?
Or what for?
These.
Oh, I mean, my TW is kind of a street bike. It's illegal on the street.
Speed bike.
Speed bike. Oh, speeders. It's all put together, and it took me very little time. Check this out. Rolls around, it's got a nice handle. It's got the power cord with not only the 3-prong plugs, but also a couple of USBs. And it came with this nice thing to keep your cord in line. Easy to push around. If you're interested, it's a perma steel. 46-inch 8-drawer mobile workbench. I really like it. It's got the solid wood top. If I can find it. If I can find it online, I'll put a link on there. And for now, I'm going to go through and start filling with tools. And building and organizing and moving all this stuff over is really getting to me. Kind of sick of it. I'm gonna keep going. But anyways, this is all my stuff I use on a regular basis, quite a bit. Bunch of random crap. Bunch of random crap. Bunch of nails and screws. What's in here? Oh, random stuff. And saws and woodworking stuff. I got this pretty hefty shelf unit to fix this mess over here.
Mom.
I kind of just got caught up on putting this together. It absorbed my day. Anyways, I kind of forgot to do a lot of the filming, but everything is put together. Got the shelves. You know, got this motorcycle shelf. It's not as organized as I'd like, but it'll do the job. Transferred all my tools over there. My power tools, at least. And then I've got my workbench going on. Let's see, Permasteel. Like I said, I'll put a link to this if you're interested. And let's get this out. Oh no, that's gonna be a pain. So the whole point of doing this is to get a good base of operations going for this summer. I'm gonna have my bike, I'm gonna have room for my bike, I'm gonna have room for filming, working on my bike, and just doing more of my slice of life things. Slice of life in the garage more often than not. Didn't really have my kids in this one this time. Oh well. Next video I put out, it's gonna be very cool in here. Well, a lot cooler than it is now. Anyways, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, like, subscribe, leave a comment, tell me how much you hate my garage or how much you love my garage, and I'll catch you later.